Peace be upon you. I hope you all are doing well. Tooth decay is a very major problem. This disease is considered the second most common in the world. This disease is very common from children to adults. If children get tooth decay, their treatment is difficult and the pain is very severe, and many times they have to be completely sedated under general anesthesia to undergo treatment. So, in today's video, I will tell you about something that will ensure that neither adults nor children will ever get tooth decay, and they will remain in a safe zone for their entire lives. It is a very affordable and highly effective treatment. If you watch carefully, you will understand it. It will be of great benefit to your children as well as your elders. So let's head into today's video. So what I am going to share today is something very important. Extensive research has now proven that mothers who consistently use this product during their pregnancy, whether they choose to chew it thoroughly or use it as a daily toothpaste, can significantly protect their children from developing cavities in their teeth later on. This is truly a huge success for dental health. The regular use of this product not only effectively reduces dental plaque, that harmful sticky layer that builds up, but it also provides lasting benefits throughout the entire pregnancy period and beyond. Research says that if you use this regularly for 6 months, 98% of the plaque, that sticky layer, which also causes gum disease, damages gums, leads to gingivitis, and starts the process of dental caries or cavities, is completely eliminated from the teeth. 98% means almost negligible. Similarly, when their children were born, they also developed a much higher resistance to tooth decay. There are several reasons for this. One major reason being that, as you may have observed, when a baby is born, the mother shows affection, and through her saliva, bacteria, including harmful bacteria, can be transmitted. However, due to chewing this substance, the good bacteria in the mouth increase, and the bad bacteria, which cause tooth decay, are significantly reduced. So let's move on to the main point, which is very important. What is that thing and what is its mechanism? So that thing is very famous. It was created in Finland many years ago, and because of this, tooth decay has become very rare in those regions due to the use of this thing. And that thing is xylitol. Xylitol has a unique structure, a unique feature, which is that it contains 5 carbons. Usually, the sugars or carbohydrates we consume, like sucrose or fructose, have a 6-carbon structure that Streptococcus mutans, the bacteria that causes tooth decay, can easily digest and metabolize, deriving energy from it and producing acid as a byproduct. But when it absorbs xylitol, mistaking it for a similar healthy sugar, it swallows it whole. However, it simply doesn't possess the complex internal machinery required to properly metabolize it or convert it into usable energy. So what happens ultimately? It becomes an unnecessary extra burden within its body, and naturally, the system wants to get rid of it as quickly as possible. The bacteria wants to expel xylitol from its body. For this, a lot of its previously stored energy gets used up. Now, it isn't getting any new energy, and all its old energy has been spent, so ultimately the bacteria dies from starvation. So it's a very interesting mechanism, and research is being done on it every day. It is a very unique thing. The American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry has proven that xylitol should definitely be given to children as well, so that they don't get cavities. In foreign countries, they have made the addition of xylitol mandatory in everything, gel forms, toothpaste, mouthwash, which has brought them great success to the point where tooth decay has become almost non-existent. So the important thing here is this: the structure of xylitol is very unique, which firstly kills the bacteria and secondly reduces the bacteria's ability to stick to the teeth. Ultimately, it slips off the teeth, falls into your saliva, and gets washed out. Otherwise, what would it do if it stayed stuck to the teeth? It will form dental plaque, create acid, cause tooth decay, make your teeth sensitive to hot and cold, and ultimately your teeth will start breaking, severe pain will begin, and you will have to get the tooth extracted. So xylitol is considered a magic pill. It is a very unique thing that kills the major bacteria in your mouth, Streptococcus mutans, which causes caries and tooth decay, eliminating it completely. So how should you use it? First of all, we need to select 100% pure xylitol. After that, take 6 to 10 grams, divided into 3 to 5 portions throughout the day, meaning after breakfast, after lunch, and especially at night after dinner, and chew it thoroughly for 5 minutes. If you are using it as a chewing gum, then spit it out. So this process will continue throughout the night, and the bad bacteria will be removed from your mouth. But there is one condition: you must not eat anything after this. You should not eat anything for at least 30 minutes after that. Then your teeth will become excellent. A natural shield will form on your teeth, which will protect them from tooth decay. So what things is it available in? It is available as bubble gum, as mint, and as toothpaste, which is the easiest way you can use it regularly, and its granules are also available. If you put a few granules into half a glass of water, it will become a mouthwash that you can gargle with morning and evening by holding it in your mouth for 30 seconds. This will prevent tooth decay, reduce acidity in the mouth, and eliminate the bad bacteria in your mouth. And it has many other great features as well. It increases the saliva in your mouth, and since saliva contains calcium phosphate, it penetrates the teeth and makes them even stronger than before. So, what do you need to do? As I mentioned, you need to chew it thoroughly for 5 to 10 minutes after eating. This is its standard rule. If you can't do that, then use it as an alternative mouthwash, or you can even use it as a toothpaste. If we get children into the habit of using it from the start, they will never get cavities in their teeth. This is the easiest and cheapest treatment. Otherwise, you will have to get your teeth drilled. If they have cavities, they will need a root canal, or you might even have to get the tooth extracted, so it's better. Prevention is better than cure. Especially for children, this term is used because treating children is difficult. Children don't cooperate with treatment. They are afraid of injections, and they are also afraid of the handpiece we use because of its sound. So we have to put them under full anesthesia, which has its own complications. Therefore, it is better to start children on preventive measures from the beginning so that they don't face any problems. And I have told you many times about brushing. Many people have asked me about this gum line where your gums and teeth meet. You need to angle the brush at 45 degrees and brush from top to bottom. You must do this thoroughly from top to bottom. For the lower teeth, do it in the opposite direction from bottom to top, and you should do it this way on the inner side as well. And for the roof of the mouth or palate, brush thoroughly from top to bottom like this. So you should brush twice, before going to sleep at night and before breakfast in the morning. And if you are also consuming xylitol, your mouth will stay fresh. Your children will also be in the safe zone. They won't get cavities either, because one mode of transmission is that mothers who have a lot of Streptococcus in their mouths can transfer or transmit it to their children, which also damages the children's teeth. So take care of yourself, take care of your children, take care of your health, because xylitol is such a thing. It not only stops Streptococcus mutans, but also has a positive effect on your entire body. I was reading some research today, and it was also written in it that your immunity is also boosted by xylitol. 5-carbon is a unique thing, and the interesting thing about it is that those with diabetes who have sugar disease and have very high sugar levels in their blood can also use it without any harm. Their sugar will not increase, and their teeth will also remain strong because, as you know, in sugar patients, teeth start to loosen and decay quickly. So use this. Teeth won't loosen, and gums will also become strong. This is also a major benefit of it, because when dental plaque doesn't accumulate, your gums that are receding and causing bleeding will also get better. So I hope you liked today's information. If you have any thoughts or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment box down below. Thank you so much for watching.